milking for content here. Now we're gonna fix this gap between the tank and the seat.
Your boy don't like thigh gap.
no thigh gap. Gotta take the seat off. Take a look at it. See, a little slot down in there. Give this a little push back. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, look, electronics.
Put a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil.
There's the problem. Ain't got no gas in it.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, just clean off the tank. Get out the WD-40.
Or just spray it on there. Either one's fine.
Hey, tasty. Oh, yeah. Screw back. Yep.
Yep.
Hey, that looks better. That looks more like where it's supposed to be.
No more thigh gap.
No more thigh gap. Yeah, that's what happened. It popped out of there. So what's supposed to hold it in the front then? Nothing?
There's just big rubber grommets that it slides.
Oh, big rubber grommets. I see. Rubber grommets in there. One. And you can't really see the second one, can ya? It's in there. Cool. And the seat slides back in. All the wires seem pretty good in there. Oh, that was close.
That's one way to keep them awake.
I'm awake, all right. Woo! Let's do it. Let's replace this box. Trying to rip the zipper.
Basically.
I think the zipper is pretty stuck. We discovered that last time. Zipper does not want to unzip. There's supposed to be a toolkit that comes with it. Oh, zipper is unzipping.
Hey!
Hey!
I fixed it!
Hey, you fixed it. Trying to break it, you fixed it. No way. 7-pound load limit, though. Look at that.
That's fantastic.
You fixed it trying to break it. Look, a quarter. That's a return on my investment right there. A whole 25 cents. What year?
No, it's only from 94.
94. Nice. It's probably been in there since it was new. Since 98. It's gonna rip this box out because I couldn't get it open. It looked terrible, but now, yeah, give me a little bit on there. Oh, spray it directly in there? Yeah, why not? Let's go for it. Rejuvenate this thing. Oh yeah. Some nice looking box now. Woo! It's a little stained. But hey, look at that.
Close now?
Now is the zipper gonna work? Close it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Get this all wiped out. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Delicious. Hallelujah, it closes all the way now. Hey, in our attempts to break it and rip it off, we fixed it. Incredible.
That's funny.
That is hilarious.
Not gonna lie.
I mean, it's still not great quality, but, you know, still rips, but it works. That's incredible.
There you go.
Amazing. My documents back in there after I finish wiping out all the oil that we put in. You know.
We're gonna go upstairs and be like, well, in our attempts to break it,
we fixed it. We fixed it, guys. Don't worry. It's great.
Interesting development.
Mint condition. When we first fixed it, we were trying to break it. That's why it didn't fix. In order to fix it, you must break it. Yes. As you can see here.